So friends, today in this video we will learn how you can install Android TV in your USB drive. If you want to experience Android TV in your computer without changing your setup, then this video is absolutely for you. You can plug this USB on any laptop and enjoy free Android TV. First we have to download setup. I will provide you the link in the description. From here you can download this file. After this we will need Rufus software. Search for Rufus on Chrome. Here is the official website of Rufus. Click on it and go to its website. Scroll down and you will see its latest version. Download it. When you download both these files, run Rufus, then we will go to the select option and select the ISO file that we have just downloaded. Here you make sure that the file system should be FAT32. After this, start it. There will be a warning that the data in the pen drive will be erased. After this, press OK. Your bootable pen drive will be ready in time. Now friends, here our bootable pen drive has been made and ready. We will close it and the work is not over here yet. We will open our PC. After this, open pen drive. Here you will see a compressed zip file. Right-click on it and click on the Extract Here option. Select pen drive and click Extract. Now the extraction process will take place. There is a data.im file which will help in running our Android TV smoothly. Now this file has been successfully extracted and most of our work has been completed. After this whole process is done, we will have to restart our computer. As soon as your computer boots, you have to press the boot key of your system. Press the boot key of your system. Here I can see my pen drive. We select it. We will select Android TV from the setup. The device will be prepared and you will see the logo here. After some time, the welcome screen will appear. English language from here. You can give internet access to your device through here. If your Wi-Fi does not work, then you can connect it using the Ethernet cable. After that you select Android TV. You can use the escape key to exit this setup. Now you will be able to install many games and applications here without Android setup box and it will run very smoothly. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel to support me.